system. All we had to do was go to our player stats and update a couple lines inside of here. We added a new variable for the respawn position, so this will be where the player goes once he respawns, and for the actual game object of the player. In our die function, what we said, if we have extra lives, basically greater than 0, we're going to subtract 1 from our lives. We're going to move our player to our respawn point. We're going to set our health back to the max health, because if not, then it's just going to keep subtracting. And then what we can also say, we can say else if extra lives is less than or equal to 0, then what we can probably do to that, we won't do this now because we don't have the canvas, but we could just say death screen so that we know that happens. Additionally, what we had to do in our normal world, once all of that stuff was saved, we now had a new, basically this empty spawn point is just a empty game object. I dragged that into the player's respawn position, and then just make sure, there we go, that this player, let me see what I'm gonna do actually, is set it to none so I could show you the difference. So we're not instantiating anymore, so we don't need to clone it. So we want to drag himself inside of there. And then let me see, our respawn position is just up there for the time being. We could give that a visual tag. Turn on gizmos, there we go, respawn point. Let's go ahead and run the game, see how this works. Give him a minute to come up to us. Let's watch this. Okay, see, so it does do it. It's just a little buggy right now. And I'll have to figure that out why. See, that time it did push me there. And then this time we have no more lives, so that is working. The health is just going negative now. Alright, so that is the easiest way to implement the live system. Like I said, a little buggy, but I'm going to still keep working through it from there.